At Droid, everything we do is to make sure each of Droid's customer, big or small, is a happy customer. And here is how we do, in the wet wipes machine on-site commissioning and training process. Operator training. Training is provided to all employees who are in contact with Droid wet wipes machines. We aim for all employees to gain a full understanding of our equipment and its capabilities to unleash its full potential. The training process includes hands-on instruction on mechanical adjustment, parameter setting, and safe operation notice. Setting up standard operation procedures on the operation of each wet wipes production line, so that each operator could master the skill fast. Guidance on consumable components, preventative maintenance and regular cleaning procedure. After proper training, the trained operators will trial run the machines by themselves. After trial run, mass production will be conducted. Join Droid's worldwide happy customers to produce quality wet wipes, reduce your operational costs and achieve a hassle-free wet wipes production.
Dada,
Yeah,
our machine is good?
yeah, it's very good machine. Best of the best machine.
Droid is setting up a showroom and post-service center in Ukraine. Customers can book an appointment with our sales rep and come to see our wet wipes machine running here, or visit our wet wipes machine manufacturing base in China. Welcome to visit our website droidwipes.com and explore more solutions for your wet wipes converting and packaging needs. Mail your inquiry to info@droidwipes.com to start your project today. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and get updated on news of our latest technology that helps to bring your wet wipes business to a new height.